Hello everyone, welcome to next session. So in our previous session we have installed IntelliJ IDEA. So we will use the same IDEA throughout this course to understand all the Wiremock features on creating the stubs. So I hope you all have installed IDEA on your local system. So we will simply open the IntelliJ IDEA. So now we will create a project to start with our hands-on sessions. So once this opens up, so what we need to do is we will create a Maven project. So now we will click on new project. So this a new window will open up, right? So by default itself it has selected the Maven archetype. So if it is not there, you need to select the Maven archetype and we'll provide here a logical name. You can provide any name. So I have given Wiremock ST, right? So here we need to select the JDK, right? So I am selecting the same default one which is selected, and here we will select Maven archetype quick start, right? And then we will click on create. So once the project is created, it will open up in the IDE and you can start working on it, right? So let's move to our next session.